Do you wake up feeling drained even when you've spent enough hours in bed? Are your erections not as firm as they used to be? Your drive lower, your mood duller, and nothing you try seems to fix it? I hear this story from men over 50 constantly, and tonight I'm going to walk you through one commonly missed vitamin that can bring back energy, support testosterone, and deepen sleep, but only if it's used at the right moment. Let me know where you're watching from and tap like and subscribe. But here's what most men never get told. Aging alone isn't what robs your strength at night. What's really happening is a quiet biological shift. After 50, the body's overnight repair engine starts losing momentum. The hormones that once surged while you slept, testosterone, growth hormone, nitric oxide, begin to slow down as well. I see this pattern again and again. Men tell me they still sleep, but they no longer feel restored. Their nights become lighter, more broken, and their mornings lose that grounded sense of power they once had. Your circadian rhythm, that internal clock running on a 24-hour cycle, used to manage all of this effortlessly. It knew exactly when to release hormones, when to deepen sleep, when to restore blood flow. But with time, that signal fades. The brain still sends the command, yet the body no longer has what it needs to respond. And modern habits only make the problem worse. Bright screens late at night trick the brain into thinking it's daytime. Alcohol before bed or heavy dinners after 8 p.m. keep the liver busy when it should be repairing. Even low-grade stress, and the kind you carry quietly, tells the body to stay alert instead of rebuilding. Here's the hard truth. Many men over 50 are operating at half capacity because they're missing one key nutrient that turns this nighttime system back on. In the next part, you'll see exactly what it is and why timing changes everything. Here's what usually gets overlooked. The body can't fully repair itself at night without the mineral that initiates the entire process, magnesium. It's one of the most critical and most neglected nutrients in men's health. Magnesium plays a role in over 300 internal reactions. It helps regulate blood pressure, relax muscles, support nerve signals, and influence testosterone and nitric oxide, the very signals behind strong erections and deep, restorative sleep. After 50, many men are unknowingly deficient. It shows up as low energy, restless legs, or waking up throughout the night. Most try everything else first: sleep aids, supplements, even medications. But the core issue often remains the same. Without enough magnesium, blood vessels don't fully relax. Muscles stay subtly tense. The brain never reaches its deepest recovery stages, and so you wake up foggy, tired, and weaker than the day before. For many men, the shift begins by taking magnesium in the evening. Forms like glycinate or threonate help the nervous system settle, improve circulation, and prepare the body for hormonal repair during sleep. Typical daily amounts often fall between 200 and 400 mg, though personal needs can vary. Magnesium sets the foundation, but it's not the full picture. In the next section, you'll see what amplifies its effect and restarts nighttime hormone production. This is where most men stall. They add magnesium, notice a mild improvement, then wonder why energy and performance don't fully return. That's because magnesium works best when supported by two partners, zinc and vitamin D. Together, these three form a recovery triangle, each one activating the next. Zinc quietly drives testosterone production. Without it, the body simply can't produce optimal levels of the hormone tied to strength, motivation, and vitality. Stress, alcohol, and common medications often drain zinc stores over time. Add low vitamin D, often from limited sunlight, and the body loses another critical repair signal. Vitamin D receptors activate hundreds of recovery pathways during sleep. When levels drop, rebuilding slows. When magnesium, zinc, and vitamin D work together, the change can feel dramatic. Magnesium calms the nervous system and supports nitric oxide. Zinc fuels testosterone creation. Vitamin D enhances cellular repair. The result is deeper sleep, firmer morning erections, and steadier daytime energy. Many find benefit by taking magnesium at night, zinc with dinner, and vitamin D earlier in the day, though personal timing can differ. But even simple alignment like this can restore your natural rhythm. Still, one piece remains: circulation. In the next part, you'll see how blood flow determines whether nighttime repair truly delivers results. This often surprises men. Erections aren't driven by hormones alone. They depend on circulation. Even ideal testosterone levels won't produce reliable performance if blood flow is restricted. Erections are a vascular event before anything else. And this is where nighttime magnesium becomes especially powerful. Taken in the evening, magnesium relaxes the smooth muscle inside arteries and veins. That relaxation allows blood to move more freely, not just to the heart and brain, but to the areas responsible for male performance. During deep sleep, nitric oxide production peaks. This is the silent repair window when tissues heal, oxygen delivery improves, and energy resets for the next day. But if blood vessels are stiff or inflamed from years of stress and lifestyle strain, that signal can't fully activate. That's why simple circulation habits matter. A warm shower before bed, gentle stretching, slow nasal breathing, avoiding late heavy meals and alcohol. These small adjustments shift the body back into repair mode. Men who adopt them often notice stronger morning erections, deeper sleep, and a more stable sense of vitality throughout the day. All of this leads to a bigger realization. You have far more influence over your energy, sleep, and performance after 50 than you've been told. Many men are taught that decline is unavoidable, that fatigue, low drive, and broken sleep are just the cost of aging. But that belief is wrong. Your body hasn't quit. It's waiting for the right signals. It wants to repair, to rest deeply, to function with confidence again. When you give it what it's been missing, magnesium, zinc, vitamin D, oxygen-rich sleep, something shifts. Mornings feel easier. Mood steadies. Erections regain strength. You wake up with a quiet, reliable energy you thought was gone. You're not past your prime. You're entering a phase where precision matters more than force. It's never too late to rebuild. Your health is worth defending, and so are you. If this message resonated with you, I invite you to join this growing community. This space exists for men over 50 who want real strength, lasting energy, confidence, and deep restorative sleep without hype or shortcuts. Your health matters. You deserve clarity and guidance without judgment. Each week, new insights are shared on hormones, nutrition, recovery, and performance. Practical strategies built for real life. Leave a comment and share where you're watching from and how your sleep and energy have been lately. Remember, the nighttime vitamin we discussed is simple, often ignored, and incredibly powerful when used correctly. Let your nights become your recovery again. Take care of your health. You are worth it.